Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, it is actually looking like spring in Helsinki. And yeah, so I thought it'd be a good idea to have a outdoor shoot somewhere over, like, I don't know, there, maybe, not sure. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab my big reflector, use it as a backdrop, and yeah, just have a beauty shoot, and maybe like use these flowers. I don't know, like, sure, why not? Like, flowers are nice, right? And it's actually quite warm as well. I mean, like, oh yeah, let's do this then. So yeah, today we're shooting with this beautiful model and this talented makeup artist.
Yay.
So yeah, you wanna introduce yourself or something?
Yes, hi, I'm Nina. So I'm gonna be the model today, and I have this beautiful makeup done by.
Yes, I'm Daria, and I did this.
Okay, so what's the inspiration behind this look then?
I don't know. I just wanted to try something bright and colorful and something new.
Okay, but it looks nice. So yeah, let's go outside and take some photos then. Yay! So yeah, today's MVP has been Daria, because like my boomstick doesn't work, so she's actually holding this all the time. But yeah, Daria's doing makeup, she's doing like video, and she's holding this, like she's doing everything today.